This craft is called magnifying glass. You will need newspaper, a template of the magnifying glass, clear cellophane, stickers in assorted colours and shapes, a glue stick, wax crayons, a paper punch and felt, and a pair of scissors. To start, colour in the template using the wax crayons. Use a paper punch and felt to cut out the shapes. Cut a piece of clear cellophane big enough to cover the inner circle of the magnifying glass. Apply glue to the back of each magnifying glass shape and place the cellophane in between. To finish, decorate the magnifying glass with stickers. And this is the magnifying glass.